Documents and contracts is an incredibly powerful part of HighLevel, but it's useless without notifications. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can manage all of your notifications for documents and contracts, such as sending emails for proposals, estimates, invoices, things like that, as well as using your document-related custom values within emails. I'm also going to show you an interesting use case for this feature, so stay tuned and let's dive right in. Now, to manage our notifications for documents and contracts, we're going to navigate to payments on the sub-account level, then to documents and contracts, and then we can navigate to settings on the right-hand side. From here, we can turn on or off all of our notifications for customers and your team. The first notification we have is for configuring the email sender. We can turn this on. We can set the name and email for all customer notifications. Then we can turn on CC recipients. So for example, if you're sending out documents or contracts and you want to CC your team or even yourself, so that way it goes to a personal email rather than the sending email associated with your account, you can simply select your CC recipient from the list here. These are going to be all of the different contacts within your sub account already. So just add it as a contact with an email. You'll be able to select it from here. The one default notification that we can't turn off is for document received. This is the template used to send the document, and we have a default email template here, which we can preview by clicking preview. We can edit this template within this email editor right here, and then when we're done, we can either save it as a new template or save it just like that, and then it will save as the document sent template. We can also do this for the document signed template below, which we can turn on or off on the right-hand side. We can preview this, select a different email from the list here, or make edits within the preview screen like I just showed you. We can also edit the email subject lines on both of these. Now, if you're running a smaller business, this might not seem like that big of a deal to you, but for large companies that use proposals, estimates, and invoicing a lot, this can make that entire process a lot more seamless for customers, as you can adjust branding, logos, colors, fonts, messaging in all of these different notifications whenever you're sending out any of these types of documents. Being able to manage your documents like this so you can collect requirements, give out estimates, and communicate with your customers is a really powerful way to automate a lot of the manual communication that you typically have with a larger company. Now, when we're done modifying our customer notifications, we can save here, and then we can also modify our team notifications on the left-hand side. We can click here and we can first override our sender details. So if we have a default name and email that our documents are usually sending, we can turn this on and override that information for team documents and contracts. We can then make the same edits to the document signed notification with the email template and the email subject and turn that on or off and then click save. Lastly, along with this update, we can use document and contract related custom values and fields within our emails, which is a really valuable tool. So if we navigate back out of this screen, go to marketing, then navigate to email campaigns, then we can open up a new email campaign or an old one. And using this, let's say we want to add in a text element. Here we can use our custom values at the top right-hand side, scroll down, and then right there is documents and contracts. This is a new feature which will allow us to use all of these different custom fields from the recipient to the document itself, like the name, URL, type, amount, currency, and currency symbol right within our email. Now, this is really valuable because what if we want to add in new notifications rather than just using the ones that are built into docs and contracts? Well, then we can create one from here using our email. We can use those custom values from the document, and then we can save this as an email campaign and then use this within automations. So we can use this with lots of different triggers and actions in order to send out these emails to the team, to the customer, and make a completely customized email-based notification platform with documents and contracts. This is the side of HighLevel that I really like the most because this allows you to build out complex systems using the platform that can save you time and streamline your business. As always, if you have any questions about these documents or contracts notifications feature, then feel free to refer to the help doc. And as always, thank you so much for watching.